Did you know that the BRICS nations, that's Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, now account for over a third of the entire global economy? This isn't just a number. It's a massive sign of a seismic shift in global power, and it has huge implications for every single crypto investor out there. What if the future of money isn't what we've been told? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is buzzing everywhere, the global economic shift happening right now. We're going to break down what this means for your crypto portfolio and why you absolutely need to be paying attention. This isn't just another news update. This is about understanding the fundamental changes that could redefine wealth for the next generation. So, let's talk about the challenges we're all facing as crypto investors. It feels like we're navigating a minefield, doesn't it? On one hand, we have raging inflation eating away at our savings. The money in your bank account is losing value every single day. On the other hand, we have governments around the world getting more and more nervous about crypto. We're seeing talks of stricter regulations, new tax laws, and even outright bans in some places. It creates a lot of uncertainty. You might be wondering, is crypto still a safe bet? How do I protect my assets when the traditional financial system seems so unstable and the regulatory landscape for crypto is constantly changing? These are the questions that keep investors up at night, and rightly so. The old rules of investing don't seem to apply anymore, and it's critical to understand the new game being played. The pressure is on to make the right moves, but the path forward isn't always clear. This uncertainty can lead to fear and indecision, which are an investor's worst enemies. To really get a grip on this, we need to look at what's driving this massive global shift. First, let's talk monetary policy. For years, central banks, especially the US Federal Reserve, have been printing money like there's no tomorrow. This quantitative easing was meant to stimulate the economy, but it also devalued currencies and fueled inflation. Now, they're trying to put the brakes on by raising interest rates, which shakes up everything from the stock market to your crypto investments. Then there are the geopolitical tensions. The conflict in Ukraine, the trade wars between the US and China, and the growing alliance of the BRICS nations are all redrawing the economic map. These countries are actively looking for alternatives to the US dollar for international trade. This is a direct challenge to the dollar's long-standing dominance. And when the world's reserve currency is questioned, everything is up for grabs. And finally, we have market trends within crypto itself. We're seeing a move away from purely speculative assets towards projects with real-world utility and strong communities. It's no longer just about hype. It's about substance. All these factors are interconnected, creating a perfect storm of change that is both a huge risk and a massive opportunity. So, what is the single most important trend you need to watch? It's the rise of movements that are a direct response to these global shifts. It says about communities that see the writing on the wall and are building their own parallel economies. Have you heard the buzz about brick dollar TOEM? This is where it all comes together. Brick dollar TOEM isn't just another meme coin. It's a movement. It's a symbol of this shift away from the old financial guard. It represents a community that understands the geopolitical landscape and is positioning itself for the future. Think about it. A project that taps into the narrative of the rising BRICS influence and the search for an alternative to the dollar-dominated system. This is more than just a token. It's a statement. It's a bet on a new world order where financial power is more decentralized. What makes brick dollar TOEM so compelling is that it's multi-chain, running on both Solana and BSC, which means it's accessible and adaptable. It's a grassroots movement that captures the spirit of this economic rebellion. For a crypto investor, identifying and understanding these narrative-driven movements is the key. It's not just about the tech anymore. It's about the story, the community, and the cultural relevance. The biggest gains in the next cycle won't come from just following old trends, but from spotting new ones that are born out of these huge global changes. Brick dollar TOEM is a prime example of this phenomenon in action. It's about more than just financial speculation. It's about being part of a financial revolution. This is where you find your financial stability in an unstable world, by aligning with movements that are building the future. To wrap things up, the world is at a major turning point. The dominance of the old financial system is being challenged, and new economic powers are rising. For crypto investors, this isn't a time to be scared. It's a time to be smart and informed. Understanding these global shifts is no longer optional. It's essential for survival and success in this new landscape. We've talked about inflation, regulation, and the geopolitical shifts that are creating both challenges and incredible opportunities. We've seen how movements like brick dollar TOEM are emerging from these changes, offering more than just a token but a vision for a new financial future. Remember, always do your own research. This is not financial advice, but the trends are clear. It's time to look beyond the charts and understand the world that's shaping them. What are your thoughts on this global economic shift? Do you think the BRICS nations will change the future of finance? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. Let's storm the meme space together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.